Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your gym membership with Snap Fitness, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your gym membership with Snap Fitness, start by reviewing your membership agreement. Locate any specific cancellation policies outlined in your contract. Identify the minimum notice period required for cancellation. Gather any necessary personal information, such as your membership ID and account details. Decide whether you want to cancel in person, over the phone, or online. If canceling in person, visit your local Snap Fitness location during business hours. Request to speak with a staff member about your membership cancellation. Provide your personal information and the reason for your cancellation. If calling, find the customer service number for your local Snap Fitness. Call the number and explain you wish to cancel your membership. Again, be ready with your membership details for verification. If choosing to cancel online, visit the Snap Fitness website. Log into your member account using your credentials. Navigate to the Membership Management section. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process. Make sure to confirm the cancellation request. Request written confirmation of your membership cancellation for your records. Monitor your bank statements to ensure no further charges are applied. Finally, remember to return any access cards or keys if required by your local gym. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.